It's important to figure out where we're going as a country, right? This church, this congregation does some really cool stuff. If you're poor and your car breaks down, you've just lost your job because you can't afford to fix it. Or your pay gets cut, then you can't keep up utilities or your rental fee each month, so now you're homeless again. We decided to build 25 tiny homes between 250 and 400 square feet and to make them available to folks who are formerly homeless, formerly incarcerated, senior citizens, or young adults who've aged out of foster care. They pay $1 a square foot, but at the end of 7 years, they're gonna own that home. And it's transformative to the people who see themselves as owning something and being stakeholders in this city, who before were walking the streets.
Well, that's not what Cass Community Social Services attorney James Gromer had to say in a cease and desist.
What the hell is this?
Excuse me?
Yes. You read that right, folks. Neither your lease nor any program guidelines grant you the right of renewal.
The next matter that we have is case number 21352301, Cass Community versus Tara Brown. Looking for Attorney Perkins. This is a first hearing.
Good morning, Your Honor. Connor Clardy, P84485, standing in for Todd Perkins.
And good morning, Your Honor. Marie Reimers, P82841 of Lakeshore Legal Aid, on behalf of Ms. Tara Brown, tenant defendant, who is present here via Zoom.
And Your Honor, good morning.
Good morning,
Jones
Mr.
Coleman.
Gromer.
James Gomer, P63503, also on behalf of Cass.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, geez. Okay, all righty. Goodness, Ms. Reimers, you got two. Gentlemen, on the other side. Okay.
That's right, folks. 2 attorneys paid for with your tax dollars and private donations to evict one person from a 317 square foot house.
Hey, Ms. Brown, please tell me your name.
Tara Brown.
And Ms. Brown, are you still living in the subject property?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Okay, Ms. Reimers, give me an update on this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. This matter concerns a tiny home village owned by Cass Community Social Services, in which the residents were promised after 7 years of rent payments that they would gain ownership of their home. Ms. Brown has been involved in activism surrounding the tiny homes residents and the other residents at the Cass homeless shelter, and she's now being faced with eviction. So we will be bringing a counter complaint and an answer and hoping to have a trial.
No, Ms. Reimers, no.
I know you're not happy about it, Your Honor, but it's our position that this is retaliatory.
Oh, counsel, what type of complaint did you file in this matter?
Your Honor, this is a, there's a 30-day notice given after the lease expiration. The 30-day notice was given almost 2 months after the lease had expired. I understand she's going to file an answer and a counter complaint, which is fine. Under the Summer Proceeding Act, the defenses that she's mentioned, which I don't think this is the place for that in a first hearing, but we would file a motion.
Okay.
So there's a lease. I've not seen the document regarding purchase of the home yet. So I'm just, when she sends us the document.
Did you have it?